Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app. Tap More and go to Settings. Enter Google Assistant, Voice Match and enable this function. OK Google. OK Google. Hey Google. Hey Google. Now go back, enter lock screen and also enable this function. Now you can lock the screen and simply say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be cloudy, with a high of 4 and a low of -2.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.